Welcome to our day 8 of our 30 days SQL challenge. If you have been this far, I want to really congratulate you. And today we are looking at our limit clause. Limit clause. Now, what do you use limit clause for? You control how many rows are returned. You use your limit to control how many rows are returned. And if you don't want your result to be overwhelming, you could limit it to a number you want as you query your database. So this limit clause is actually your secret weapon for managing large result sets. If you have a large result set, you could use that limit clause actually to manage it. So like I said, it controls how many rows are returned and it helps prevent overwhelming results. You could even use it for pagination. Maybe you have, let's say you want to return 1 to 10. You could return 1 to 10, then maybe you want to return 10 to 15. You could also use the same limit clause for it, which we are going to see in our examples today. So, and don't forget, limit actually counts from 0. The index counts from 0. So let's see in our example. So our first example will be top 5 longest films. Don't forget, we are still using our secular and world database. You could see the secular and these are the tables, and we have our film table here. So let's say in this film table that we are seeing, we want to select our top 5 longest films. We are using title and length. Title and length. So by now you should know what the use command does, and then we're going to select title length from the film table, and we're going to order. You still remember your order by command in the previous video. So we are going to order by length, in descending order. I want it to be in descending order. That is from the biggest to the smallest. That's descending order. We have also seen that in our previous video. Then if I run this now, let me try running this. You could see this is the title and the length in descending order from the largest length to the smallest. But I don't want all this. I don't want, you see how long it is. I just want to limit it to 5. Let me limit it to 5. This is where our limit clause will come in. Limit it to 5. So if you have seen without the limit, now we are applying the limit. Applying the limit now, you could see this is what I just told you in the beginning of the video, that I could control how many rows you want returned. So I just use this limit 5, and then you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. This is what actually limit does for you. So in case you are planning a movie and then you don't want all of them to come, you want to pick like 5 out of many, you could use this limit clause for. So let's check our second example using our world database. This is our world database. So we are going to now come here and say use world, and to activate the second database, which is world. And what are we doing? I said I want to find the most populous city. Most populous city. That is a city with the highest population. That is what we are looking for in this second example. So first of all, select name, population from the city table, and I'm going to order by population in descending order. So let's run this. So if you see, I've just selected name and population from this city table, but I just want to limit the cities to 10. You could see how the cities are. You could see the cities, but I just want 10. So this is where our clause of today's video will come in. Limit. Just want to limit it to 10. And I'm going to highlight the command here and then run it. So I just have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It starts calculating from 0. So let's see if it is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's actually 10. So it's actually 10. So we have 10 most populous cities in my city database. 10, just because of this limit that we introduced today. So let's say, for example, I want my output to be in a form of a page. I want it to be in a form of a page. So we're going to, the third example is a pagination example, and we are going to use Sequila. Let's go back to this, our Sequila database. Use Sequila. So I return back to Sequila now. Select first name, last name from the actor table, and then I'm going to order by first name. So select first name, last name. Let me run it and see. So I've just selected first name and last name. But what do I want now? What do I want to do? Well, I'm going to show our pagination example. So pagination means first page, second page. So this is the first page. So how I'll use the limit here is I want it to limit 0 to 10. 0 to 10. I just wanted to bring 0 to 10. So 0 to 10 means, let me see where it's starting. It's starting from Adam Grant, Adam Hopper. So let's see if this 0 to 10 will now start from the beginning, because in the index, in the database, it starts its calculation from 0. So let's see if Adam Grant, Adam Hopper will be the first 10 by the reason of this command. Limit 0, comma, then 10 semicolon. Let's see. Now watch what will happen. I have Adam Grant, Adam Hopper. Yes. So what this command just did for me is it brought out 0 to 10. That means 0 to 10 means the first 10 in my actor table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So it's 10. But like I tell you, the index in the database starts from 0. So if you need 10, it's actually 0 to 10. So this is what the command does concerning pagination. So let's say, for example, I want the next page. This is the first page, and probably I want the next page. So what will I do now? I'll start from 10 to 10, which makes it 20. 0 to 10, then I'll try 10 to 10. So let's see what 10 to 10 will do. Will it actually start from Angelina Astari? No. Let's see what it will do. So let me change it to 10 to 10. Select and give it 10 to 10. So 10 to 10 means it's going to start from 11 to 20. So we had 10 when we did 0 and 10. Now 10, 10, you could see this will now start from the next first name and last name to another 10. So it increased by 10, 10, 10. So I did 0 to 10 and now 10 to 10. So make sure that you use order by with limit. That's one of the advice I'll give you, one of the tips I'll give you. Always use order by with limit for consistent results. If you want consistent result, make sure you always use limit with order by. And limit should go at the very end of your query, which means anytime you are giving a command or something, make sure limit goes at the very end. Put your limit at the very end of your query. And then also remember, limit counting start from 0. Limit counting start from 0. If you use limit without order by, you could get unpredictable results. So make sure a limit goes with order by. And then of course different databases might use different syntax. So when you are looking for a best friend when working with large data sets, your best friend will be limit. It actually helps you to focus on exactly the data you need. Like here, I just need the next 10, and this is what the limit helped me to do. If I need only 5, maybe select first name, last name, limit it to 5. It will just give me 5. So it helps you focus exactly on the data you need. It makes your query faster. If you don't need a whole million rows, you just need 10, you could use limit. And then when you want to build up applications for pagination, like what we saw before, 0 to 10 and then 10 to 10. So thank you very much. Today we looked at limit. If you haven't started with us from the beginning, I'll actually advise you to return back to the first video that actually brought us here. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment with your favorite use case for limit. So see you tomorrow for our day 9. Thank you very much.